BMKG friends, see you again in the Indonesian Weather Forecast Update program, which is valid Tuesday 22 April 2025. With me, Diah Putra Ravena. Let's take a look for more information. BMKG friends, cyclone tropic Sid 97 as were monitored on the north coast of northern Australia with a maximum wind speed of 30 knots and a pressure of air in the center of the 1007 hip cyclone and the westward movement of the system, forming convergence and confluence area that extend around the Sea Arafu and includes an increase in wind speed of more than 25 knots or low jet level in northern Australia. Potential tropical cyclone Sid 97 is to become a cyclone tropical in the next 24 hours in the low category. Then the cyclone Sid tropic 91S was observed in the Indian Ocean southwest of Banten with wind speed of maximum 20 knots and air pressure at the center of the cyclone 1009 hip and movement to southwest direction until this western system form a convergence area and confluence extend around the southwest Indian Ocean region of West Java. Potential for cyclone tropical Sid 91 as to become cyclone tropical in the next 24 hours is the low category, while cyclonic circulation is monitored in the Strail Kalimantan Natuna, sea east of Batam Island in the Indian Ocean northern of Batam Island. Halmahera, which forms a convergence zone extending from Riau to Riau Island, from the north coast of Aceh to the northern part of the Strait of Malacca and beyond North Pacific Ocean southwest Papua. BMKG friends, combination of atmospheric dynamic, this causes the potential for moderate to heavy rain and extreme weather. What you need to be aware of covers the area of Sumatra, most of Java, Nusa Tenggara, east most of Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Maluku and North Maluku as well as the regional Papua because BMKG said the wind speed increased to more than 25 degrees Celsius monitored in the Gulf of Carpentaria and the Arafu Sea, which is capable of increasing high wave in the water of the area. Be aware of the height of the wave 25 to 4 meter in the West Indian Ocean of Sumatra and the South Indian Ocean of Java West. And also be aware of the potential for flash flood and the coast of Debo Singkep, West Java, Java Central, water of Kota Baru, Central Kalimantan and the West Kalimantan region. Next, we present significant weather forecast for several major cities. In Indonesia, such as in Medan, there is potential for light rain. Jakarta has the potential for rain like Bandung and has potential for moderate rain. Surabaya has the potential for light rain. For Makassar area that has the potential for light rain, and Jayapura area has the potential for rain. Meanwhile, for other big city, let's look at the complete information starting from Sumatra Island. There was light rain in Banda Aceh area. Medan, Pekanbaru in the Tanjung Pinang area are still on the island of Sumatra. It is estimated that there will be moderate rain in the Palembang area and it's being watched out for potential for rain accompanied by lightning in the Bengkulu Jambi Pangkal area Pinang and the Bandar Lampung region. We turn to Java Island on average breathing in the Serang area, while for Jakarta, Semarang area for Jakarta and Surabaya on average, there is light rain for the Bandung area. There is rain as we move to Bali Island and Nusa Tenggara. Thick clouds for Banjarmasin area to Pontianak area to Palangkaraya area and the Samarinda on average experience light rain. Be aware of this potential for heavy rain which can be accompanied by lightning to the Tanjung Selor area. Then to Pulau Sulawesi or Sulawesi Island is expected to experience light rain in the Makassar area, in the Gorontalo for the Kendari area. On average, moderate rain occurs and should be watched out for. There is potential for rain accompanied by lightning in the Mamuju Parlu area and the Manado region. And finally, we went to the eastern region of Indonesia where it rained like in the Ambon, Ternate, Sorong and Manokwari areas in the Jayapura area. It is estimated that there will be moderate rain and be aware of the potential for rain that can accompanied by lining to the Nabire Jayawijaya area and the Merauke area. My friends BMKG friends, we remind you again that the information we provide is an overview of the weather in each region. To get more specific and up-to-date weather information every 3 hours, you can include the BMKG in the application available on the App Store, Play Store, or visit our website www.bmkg.go.id and our social media at infobmkg. Information, we can thank you for your attention and see you soon.
Hello BMKG friend, see you again in the Indonesian Weather Forecast Update Program file for Monday, April 28, 2025. Together with me, Eva Reza Mahendra from Meteorology 2B class. Let's see more complete information. BMKG friends, tropical cyclone SID 96S and 99W are still predicted to be in the Arafura Sea, southwest of Morocco and the Pacific Ocean northeast of North Maluku. This system forms a wind speed slowdown area extending from South Arafura Sea, Aru Island to Darwin, Australia from Yosudarso Island to the Arafura Sea in the North Pacific Ocean, Palau, and in the Philippine Sea. The circulation of cyclonic was also monitored in the waters north of Kalimantan and the North Pacific Ocean of Papua New Guinea. Then another convergence area extends across the islands in the waters of Aceh and in the central Kalimantan. Furthermore, the wind meeting area was monitoring in the North Pacific Ocean, Papua Island. BMKG friends, this condition can increase the potential for rain cloud growth and sea wave height around tropical cyclone SID area or cyclonic circulation and along the convergence of confluence area. The combination of atmospheric dynamics creates the potential for moderate to heavy rain and needs to be watched out for in the parts of Sumatra, West Java, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, North Maluku, and most of Papua, as well as the potential for heavy to very heavy rain in the Papua mountains. BMKG friends, be aware of the potential for tidal floods on the coast of North Sumatra, Riau Island, Lampung, Jakarta Coast, South Kalimantan Coast, West Nusa Tenggara Coast, East Nusa Tenggara, North Sulawesi Coast, and Maluku Coast. Next, we convey significant weather forecasts for several major cities in Indonesia, such as Medan with the potential for light rain, Jakarta with the potential for light rain, Bandung with the potential for light rain, Surabaya with the potential for clouds, Makassar with the potential for thick clouds, and Jayapura with the potential for light rain for other major cities. Let's see more complete information. We start from Sumatra Island. In general, there is the potential for thunderstorm in Padang City and the potential for light rain in Banda Aceh, Medan, Pekanbaru, and Tanjung Pinang. Furthermore, the potential for thunderstorm also need to be watched out for in Bengkulu and Pangkal Pinang, and the potential for light rain in Jambi, Palembang, and Bandar Lampung. Moving to Java Island, the potential for light rain occurs in Serang, Jakarta, Bandung, and Semarang. cloudy in Yogyakarta and thick clouds in Surabaya. For Bali and Nusa Tenggara, in general, there is potential for cloudy skies in Denpasar, Mataram, and Kupang. For Kalimantan Island in general, there is potential for thunderstorm in Pontianak and Samarinda, moderate rain in Tanjung Selor, and light rain in Palangkaraya, while thick clouds in Banjarmasin. We move on to Sulawesi Island. There is potential for light rain in Mamuju and Kendari, potential for hazy air in Palu, and then potential for thick cloud in Gorontalo, Manado, and Makassar. Meanwhile, for the Maluku and Papua Island, be aware of thunderstorm in Merauke and Jayawijaya. Potential for light rain in Jayapura, Nabire, Manokwari, Sorong, and Ternate. And then potential for thick clouds in Ambon. BMKG friend, we remind you again that the information provided is a general description of the weather in each region. To get more specifics and up-to-date weather information, every 3 hours, you can monitor the BMKG Info application available on the App Store and Play Store, or visit the official BMKG website at www.bmkg.id and our social media at info BMKG. That is the information we can convey. Thank you for your attention and see you.
See you again in the Indonesia Forecast Update program valid for Tuesday, April 29, 2025. With me now, Vincentia Brains Tepu. Let's see more complete information. BMKG friends, cyclonic circulation is monitored in the South China Sea and in the North Pacific Ocean of North Maluku. Thus, two cyclonic circulation from an area of wind speed slowdown and convergence around the South China system, the Sulu Sea, the northern waters of Papua, and the North Pacific Ocean of Papua New Guinea. Meanwhile, another convergence are extend across the Kalimantan Strait, Central Kalimantan, and East Kalimantan. When converged area were observed in central to southern Sumatra, the Kalimantan Strait, Central Kalimantan, East Kalimantan, and North Kalimantan. This condition can increase the potential for rain cloud growth and sea wave height around cyclonic circulation area and along convergence or confluence area. BMKG friends, the combination of atmospheric dynamics causes the potential for moderate to heavy rain and extreme weather to be watched out for, covering most of Sumatra, Banten, Central Java, East Nusa Tenggara, most of Kalimantan, Sulawesi, North Maluku, and parts of Papua. BMKG friends, an increase in surface winds speed reaching more than 25 knots was observed in northern Australia, the Gulf of Carpentaria, and the East Sea, which was able to increase wave height in the waters. Also be aware of the potential for flash floods in North Sumatra, Riau Island, Lampung, Jakarta, South Kalimantan, West Nusa Tenggara, East Nusa Tenggara, North Sulawesi, and Maluku. Next, we present significant weather forecasts for several major cities in Indonesia. As in Medan City, there is potential for light rain. Then for the city of Jakarta, it has the potential to be part cloudy. For the city of Bandung, there is potential for thick clouds. Furthermore, the city of Surabaya has the potential for thick clouds. Then, the city of Makassar has the potential for thick clouds. And finally, from Jayapura City, there is potential for light rain. For other big cities, let's see more complete information. Starting from Sumatra Island, for the city of Banda Aceh, Medan, Pekanbaru, Tanjung Pinang, and Padang City. It is generally predicted that there will be light rain. Still on Sumatra Island, it is predicted that Jambi City will be foggy. For the city of Bengkulu, Palembang, and Bandar Lampung, light rain is predicted and you need to be aware that for Pangkal Pinang City, rain accompanied by lightning is predicted. Moving to Java Island, the city of Jakarta is predicted to be part cloudy. For the city of Bandung, Yogyakarta, and Surabaya, it is predicted that there will be thick clouds. Then, for the city of Serang and Semarang, it is predicted that there will be light rain. For Denpasar City, it is predicted that it will be part cloudy. For Mataram City, it is predicted to be cloudy, and Kupang City, it is predicted that it will start. And the island of Kalimantan, the city of Pontianak and Palangkaraya are predicted to experience light rain, and caution is needed for the city of Tanjung Flor, Samarinda, and Banjarmasin. It is predicted that there will be rain accompanied by lightning. Moving to Sulawesi Island, the city of Gorontalo and Makassar are predicted to be heavily clouded. For the city of Manado, Kendari, Palu, and Mamuju, light rain is predicted to occur. Lastly, from eastern Indonesia for Ambon City, it is predicted to be cloudy. For the city of Ternate, Sorong, Nabire, Jayapura, and Jayawijaya, light rain is predicted. For Merauke City, moderate rain is predicted to occur, and for Manakari City, that air is predicted to be hazy. Dear BMKG friends, we would like to remind you that the information provided is a general description of the weather in each region. To get more specific and up-to-date weather information every 3 hours, you can monitor the BMKG info application available on the App Store, Play Store, or visit the official BMKG website at www.bmkg.go.id. This is the information we convey. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Richard Simamahit and I'm from class Meteorology 2B, NVT 1124004. Hello BMKG friends, see you again in the program Indonesia Weather Forecast, which valid Wednesday, 30 April 2025. With me, Richard Christian Mahmud. Let's look at the information. The seat of tropical cyclone 99W is in the North Pacific Ocean of Halmahera Island, with wind speed maximum 20 knots, maximum pressure 100, and moving westward to northwest of tropical cyclone 99W, forming a deceleration area of or convergence in the ocean past Southeast Pacific Ocean of the Philippines and around the location. This system also forms an area of wind convergence or convergence in the Sulawesi Sea waters, North Maluku, North Halmahera Sea, and East Pacific Ocean of Halmahera. While ini around the China Sea System Sea, in the western part of the Philippines, south and southern water of Flores, and the North Pacific Ocean of Papua. And let's look at our next weather forecast prediction in some of the big cities. And here we'll see predicted weather, and we have thick cloud at Banda Aceh and light rain at Medan, the same in Pekanbaru, Padang, and Tanjung Pinang. They are predicted to be light rain. And next one we have thunderstorm at Bengkulu, the same as Jambi and Pangkal Pinang. At Palembang and Bandar Lampung will have light rain. to the next one, we predicted thick cloud at Serang, Jakarta, Bandung, Semarang, and Surabaya. At Yogyakarta, we'll have sunny, cloudy. To the next one, we have light rain. We predicted light rain at Denpasar, cloudy at Mataram, and thunderstorm at Kupang. Move on to the next one, we have light rain at Pontianak, the same in Palangkaraya, in Banjarmasin, Samarinda, and Tanjung Salor. They're predicted to be light rain at this major city. To the next one, we have thick clouds at Makassar, and light rain at Kendari, the same in Mamuju, Palu, Gorontalo, and Manado. They're predicted to be light rain. On to the next one, we have thick cloud at Ambon and light rain at Ternate. The same in Sorong, Manokwari, Nabire, Jayapura, and Merauke. That we predicted light rain, and at Jayawijaya we predicted thunderstorm. Maybe that's all for my weather prediction, BMCG friends. You can visit BMCG website or BMCG app for more information. Maybe that's all. Thank you for the attention and see you guys later. Bye. Thank you.
Hello BMKG friends, welcome back to the Indonesia Weather Forecast Update for Friday, May 2, 2025. With me, George Jonathan Immanuel Bonde. Let's take a look at the complete weather information. BMKG friends, Tropical Cyclone C99W is observed in the North Pacific Ocean near West Papua with a maximum wind speed of 15 knots and a central pressure of 1008 HPA. The system is moving west-northwest and currently has a low potential to develop into a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. This tropical disturbance has formed a convergence zone or a slowing wind area over the North Pacific Ocean from southwest of West Papua to the northern Halmahera Sea. It also causes a wind confluence area over the northern waters of North Maluku and the North Pacific Ocean southwest of West Papua. Cyclonic circulation are also observed in several areas. The Gulf of Thailand, western waters of Bengkulu, the Makassar Strait, and southern waters of Central Java. These systems are forming wind convergence zones over the eastern waters of North Sumatra, Bengkulu, the Makassar Strait to West Sulawesi, and the southern Indian Ocean from central to East Java. Additionally, other convergence areas are detected across the western waters of Aceh from Jambi to Riau, the northern waters of East and West Nusa Tenggara, the Arafura Sea to East Nusa Tenggara, the Java Sea to the Bangka Belitung Island, and from central to southern Papua. Confluence zones are also observed in the western Indian Ocean of Sumatra, northern Halmahera Sea, the southern India Ocean of Java, and the South China Sea. These conditions may increase the potential for rain, flood growth, and high sea waves around this weather system. The atmospheric dynamic combination may lead to moderate to heavy rain and extreme weather that needs to be monitored in the following areas: most of Sumatra, Yogyakarta, Central Java, East Nusa Tenggara, large parts of Kalimantan, Sulawesi, North Maluku, Maluku, and Papua. An increase in surface wind speeds of more than 25 knots is also observed over the Indian Ocean south of East Nusa Tenggara, southern Java. including the northern part of Australia and the Arafura Sea, which could further increase wave heights in those waters. Beware of high sea, wave reaching 2.5 to 4 meters over the southern Indian Ocean from Banten to West Nusa Tenggara. Next, here is the significant weather forecast for several major cities in Indonesia. Medan, light rain. Jakarta, light rain. Bandung, haze or fog. Surabaya, light rain. Makassar, light rain. And Jayapura, light rain. Dear BMKG friends, please remember that this information provides a general overview of the weather in its regions. For more detailed and update weather information every 3 hours, you can download the Info BMKG app from the App Store or Play Store, or visit our official website at bmkg.go.id. And don't forget to follow us on social media at Info BMKG. That concludes our weather report. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.